Nexo NFT integration pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Nexo is only for crypto lending and interest accounts. The surprising truth is, Nexo now supports NFT integration, making it easier to buy, sell and store digital collectibles with transparent pricing. Nexo does not charge fees for holding NFTs in its platform wallet. When you buy or sell NFTs, marketplace fees generally range from 1% to 2%, applied only on successful sales. Blockchain transaction fees, such as Ethereum gas, are separate and vary depending on network conditions. Using supported Layer 2 networks can help reduce these costs significantly. Minting NFTs directly on Nexo is not the main feature yet, but users can connect external wallets and manage NFTs within the platform. Buying and selling NFTs is simple. Select your NFT, choose your payment method and confirm. Nexo ensures all costs are displayed upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying. Security is a key advantage. Nexo uses encrypted wallets and multi-factor authentication, giving users full control over private keys. This ensures that your NFTs and crypto assets are safe from unauthorized access while remaining easily accessible for trading. In conclusion, Nexo NFT integration provides a secure, transparent, and convenient way to interact with NFTs. Fees are straightforward, storage is free, and the platform supports multiple networks to reduce transaction costs. For anyone looking to combine NFT trading with a trusted crypto ecosystem, Nexo offers a reliable solution.